Hey little Enders, we need to have a talk. You two have been really great 3D printers. You've printed everything I've asked you to print. But as you know, technology changes. Time marches on. And well, I guess what I'm trying to say is, you're fired. I did it. I finally replaced my two Ender 3 printers with a P1S combo from Bambu Lab. I've been wanting one of these ever since I watched my buddy Ryan Ballard unbox one of these things on his Making It Up As We Go podcast last December. Then recently Ryan highlighted a video on his podcast by Macy Makes 3D, and I saw that she had a few P1S combos, which led me to watching more unboxing and review videos of the P1S combo. And the next thing I knew, I was on the Bambu Lab website checking, you guessed it, add to cart. I ordered the P1S combo on Thursday, and it was delivered by FedEx on Sunday morning. Much faster shipping than I expected. I had the P1S unboxed and ready to go in about 20 minutes, and I started the self-calibration. Then I connected the AMS and I was off and running. I started with a simple benchy. Then my first official print was a poop chute. I didn't want the waste just falling off behind the printer, so I found a design online that I liked and printed it. It came out perfect, as you can see here. I wasn't a fan of the location of the spool holder bracket being in the back, so I printed out a side spool holder arm that uses the stock bracket but moves it around to the side. I've had my P1S combo for 5 days now, and I've kept it busy printing a variety of things. Here are a couple desiccant trays that will be used in the AMS with the original covers. Here's a tool to remove the PTFE tube from the AMS hub, which is a must-have, and this little scraper is also very handy. Here is just a sampling of some of the other things I've printed with the new P1S. The longest run I've done so far is just over 8 hours running parts for an AMS riser. The AMS riser consists of 4 parts and only 2 will fit on the build plate at a time, so it requires 2 runs. I ran the first 2 pieces and they came out great, so I decided to run the other 8-hour run overnight. The next morning the final 2 parts were done and ready for assembly. I really like this riser, and I'll have the link to it down below in the description. If you know me very well, you know that I don't usually run my 3D printers to make trinkets, figurines, toys, and novelty items. I like to design and make practical things that will be useful in my home or my shop. I use DesignSpark Mechanical for my 3D design software, and I have some tutorials on my other YouTube channel. This is an example of a simple holder that attaches to the leg of my CNC machine and holds the XYZ touch plate. I'd have to say that I'm really happy with my purchase of this P1S combo from Bambu Lab. I already have a long list of things I want to design and print. If you'd like to see what I make with this thing, or if you'd like to learn about DesignSpark Mechanical software, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so you get a notification when I upload a new video. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you on the next one.